solved MCQS of the Holy Quran. Small black square Surah An'am means camel. Small black square Surah Nahl means honey bee. Small black square Surah Ankabut means spider. Small black square. The major part of Quran is revealed at night time. Small black square. Generally ayats of sajda occur in Makki surahs. Small black square. 10 virtues are blessed for recitation of one word of Quran. Small black square Surah Anfal means cave. Small black square. In Naml 2 Bismillah occur, 2 nds 1 is at ayat no 30. Small black square Surah Kaf means the cave. Small black square Muzammil means wrapped in garments. Small black square Qasar means abundance. Small black square Nasr means help. Small black square Ikhlas means purity of faith. Small black square Falak means dawn. Small black square Unnas means mankind. Small black square Al-Alq means clot of blood. Small black square Al-Nashra means expansion. Small black square Az-Zukraf means ornaments. Small black square Surah Rahman is in 27th paragraph. Small black square Bride of Quran is Rahman Surah. Small black square Surah Yasin is in 22nd and 23rd paragraph. Small black square Present shape of Quran is Tawfiqi. Small black square Quran is the greatest miracle of Prophet. Small black square word Surah has occurred in Quran 9 times. Small black square first 7 ayats of Quran are called Tawal. Small black square the alphabet Alf comes most of times and Alf, Zawad alphabet comes least number of times. Small black square Quran is written in prose and poetry. Small black square Quran is also regarded as a manual of science. Small black square Surah Alq is both Makki and Madni. Small black square name of Muhammad is mentioned in Quran for 4 times. Small black square Adam is mentioned in Surah Araf. Small black square first Sindhi translation of Quran by Akhand Azizul Halai. Small black square Torah means light. Small black square Zabur means pieces/book written in big letters. Small black square Injil means good news. Small black square 99 number of ayats describe Katamin Abuwat. Small black square command against Juva and amputation of hands came 8th ah. Small black square laws about orphanage revealed in 3 ah. Small black square laws about zina revealed in 5 ah. Small black square laws about inheritance revealed in 3 ah. Small black square in 4th ah. Wine was prohibited. Small black square the order of hijab for women reveled in 4th ah. Small black square ablution made obligatory in 5th ah. Small black square in Surah Al-Nisa the commandment of wuzu is present. Small black square procedure of ablution is present in Surah Maida. Small black square in 4 ah. Tayammum was granted. Small black square interest was prohibited in 8th ah. Small black square the order of hijab reveled in 8th Hijra. Check. Small black square during Ghazwa Banu Mustalik the command of Tayammum was reveled. Small black square Quran recited in Medina firstly in the Mosque Nabuzdik. Small black square Quran verse abrogating a previous order is called Nazik. Small black square Risalat means to convey message. Small black square 25 prophets mentioned in Holy Quran. Small black square Holy Quran consist 105,684 words and 323,6700 letters. Small black square longest ayat of Holy Quran is Ayatul Kursi. Small black square 6 surah start with the name of prophets. Small black square Surah Maryam holy revealed for a woman. Small black square in Bani Israel and Al-Najaf the event of Miraj is explained. Small black square last revelation descended on 3rd Rabi ul-Awwal and it was written by Abi bin Kab. Check. Small black square language of divine books. Small black square Torah Hebrew. Small black square Injil Sirach. Small black square Zubur Sirach. Small black square Holy Quran Arabic. Small black square Torah was the first revealed book. Small black square Holy Quran was revealed in 22y5m 14 days. Small black square There are 7 stages in Holy Quran. Small black square Abdullah ibn Abbas is called as leader of commentators. Small black square Apollo 15 placed the copy of the Holy Quran on the moon. Small black square Tarjuma ul-Quran is written by Abdul Kalam Azad. Small black square The Adore Bailey in 1143 translated Holy Quran in Latin, for the first time. Small black square First Muslim interpreter of Quran in English is Khalifa Abdul Hakim. Small black square Shah Waliullah translated Holy Quran in Persian and Shah Rafiuddin in Urdu in 1776. Small black square Hafiz Lakhvi translated Holy Quran in Punjabi. Small black square Ross translated the Holy Quran into English. Small black square Surah Alaq was revealed on 18th Ramzan, contradictory. Small black square number of ayats in Al-Baqarah is 286. Small black square longest Makki surah is Araf. Small black square second longest surah is Ashra/Al-Imran. Small black square Surah Kawthar has 3 ayats. Small black square first surah compilation wise is Surah Fatiha. Small black square Fatiha means opening. Small black square Fatiha contains 7 ayats. Small black square Fatiha is also called Kitab. Small black square first surah revealed in Medina was Surah Fatiha. Small black square Surah Fatiha revealed twice in Makkah and Medina. Small black square angles mentioned in Quran Are 7. Small black square meaning of ayat is sign. Small black square meaning of hadith is to take. Small black square stone mentioned in Quran is ruby, yaqut. Small black square first sajda occurs in 9th para, Al-An'am surah. Small black square longest surah, Al-Baqarah, covers 1/12 of Quran. Small black square Madna surahs are generally longer. Small black square Madna surahs consist of 1/3 rd of Quran. Small black square Makki surahs consist of 2/3 rd of Quran. Small black square Surah Ikhlas is 112 surah of Quran. Small black square first complete Madna surah is Baqarah. Small black square names of Quran mentioned in Quran is 55. Small black square surahs named after animals are 4 in number. Small black square Namal means ant. Small black square Kalima Tayyibah is mentioned in Quran for 2 times. Small black square The word Quran means read 1. Small black square 114 Total number of surah. Small black square surah means city of refuge. Small black square 86 Makki surah. Small black square 28 Madin surah. Small black square 558 Rukus. Small black square Al-Baqarah is the longest surah. Small black square Al-Kawthar is the shortest surah. Small black square Al-Nas is the last surah. Small black square 14 bows are in Quran. Small black square first bow occurs in 9th para Al-An'am surah. Small black square Al-Fatiha is the preface of the Holy Quran. Small black square 5 verses were revealed in the first wahy. Small black square name is commanded in Quran for 700 times. Small black square Al-Imran is the surah in which Hajj is commanded. Small black square Al-Mudassir 2 nd revealed surah. Small black square Al-Muzammil 3rd revealed surah. Small black square Al-Tawbah does not start with Bismillah. Small black square Al-Namal contains 2 Bismillahs. Small black square 3 surah starts with curse. Small black square